Solo, what you do?
Papa, the trouble.
Solo, why you waste our time now? Solo, suppose we won't move now. Today na his Richie birthday, and you know, he guy Isaac Prince, Simon can't deal with him. You know that place far. Solo, more they go.
Mama just chop, more go now.
Which kind of food, Solo? Solo, leave food. Which kind of food? You chop, you tire, more they go. You deal with me.
I deal with you, more they go.
Now, just tell you something. Go play. Hey, switch it too correct.
Baba, where my food now?
My food they come. I believe them. Food they come. You just calm down, calm down. Food they come.
No,
just you eat well now. Oh, let on. Don't worry.
No, bath I come bath for his Richie birthday now. If you don't put soap and sponge join, why don't bath?
Why they talk like that? They will bring food for you. All this one are just for you to wait for the food. You chop, you tire. Bring food for you. But you don't say Mama just dey well. Egg give you day inside.
Full egg.
They too try.
The food too sweet.
Oh boy. No, you see that third road there now, there they go. Me and my guy now will bring our car come. Follow us.
I beg, I will follow now. Eh?
So,
thank you.
no mess.
Thank you.
No mess. Solo, what's in her? Why you dey vex? Because of food? This your hot temper no good though. You got a come party, you want you to leave me they go. You want drive come out. When you know say we dey go far. Don't be so now because of food. Baba, do well. This babe will drop for junction. So they go ask. Yeah. Anytime when they go.
Jesus is Lord. Yeah! 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 It is what it is. It is what it is. Think about your life. You are a failure. You are a failure. You can never make it. You can never. You know.